Here I am, friends, standing in the foyer area of this home, and the first thing I notice is the beautiful tile floors throughout this home. Welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video. This is for sale by owner, located here in the Village of Mallory Square, here in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home. It's a Whispering Pine model. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's a special open house video. This is a for sale by owner located here in the Village of Mallory Square in the Villages, Florida. The list price of this home is $430,000. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home. As I walk up to the driveway, I notice this home is meticulously kept. Very nice. You can see it has a 2-car garage. The cement driveway is in very good condition. Beautiful landscaping. That landscaping is gorgeous. This home is located at 558 Murphy's Estate Drive here in the Villages, Florida. It has a beautiful glass entry door. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am, friends, standing in the foyer area of this home, and the first thing I notice is the beautiful tile floors throughout this home. I also notice that the dining room area has a solar tube. Off to the left, you do see a dining area, and you do have a guest quarters on this side of the house. In front of you, you do see the living room area as well as a screened-in lanai, and we will take a look at that lanai a little bit later on. Off to the right, you will see the kitchen. You will see the tile floors. Continuing through the kitchen, you do have Formica countertops in that kitchen as well. Stainless appliances. You do have a 2-bowl stainless sink as well. Very nice cabinets. You can see the beautiful wood cabinetry. And you see the tile floors are continuing. It does have a gas stove. Very high ceilings here in the kitchen with knockdown texture, recessed lights as well. It does have a tile backsplash. Very neutrally colored home. Very nice. Has a kitchenette area here in the back of the home, panning off into the living room area. There is another solar tube in the kitchen as well. Let's go out to the garage and take a look. This is a Whispering Pine model. First thing I notice in the garage is the epoxy floors. They're immaculate. This is a 2-car garage. It is a designer home. You do have the laundry facilities in the garage with a sink. That is your laundry facility. Has white cabinets. Very nice home, very well kept. Let's go out into the lanai area and take a look out here. You can see this home is well cared for. It has painted cement floors in this lanai. Off to the right, you do have a bird cage with sun protection on the roof. That is rare to find, sun protection on your bird cage. All the landscaping in this home is meticulously kept. It's perfect. It's a very large lanai area as well. This part of the lanai does have a roof with knockdown texture. Here's another bird cage on this side of the lanai. This is a screened in area. You can see the birdcage roof as well. This is a wood-framed home located here in the Village of Mallory Square. This is a very short distance to Lake Sumter Landing. You can see the birdcage there. Let's go inside the home and tour the rest of the home. Again, folks, thanks for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. I really do appreciate it. Here is the living room area again, just to give you another panoramic view of that living area. Off the living room area, you do have a bedroom here. This bedroom has beautiful floors. This is the master bedroom that does appear to be a king-size bed. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture in this bedroom. This home shows very well, very neutrally decorated. Here is the master bathroom. It does have tile floors. I will video the specification sheet. The owner does have a specification sheet. This is a for sale by owner home. It does have a solid surface countertop in that master bathroom with 2 sinks. There's sink 1 and sink 2. Let's see. That is the shower with glass doors. It is a tile shower. Very nice home. Very neutrally decorated. It has a commode area as well. And let's walk through the rest of the home. Stand in this corner, give you a perspective of this master bedroom. Very high ceilings. Very nice home. Back off into the living room area. We will walk through the rest of the home and show you the living room area. Here's the dining. You can see it has a bedroom in the front of the home that is now being used as a den. It has beautiful wood laminate floors in here. This bedroom den is located in the front of the home. It is being used as an office right now. Very nice, neutrally decorated home with knockdown texture on the ceilings. As we continue through the rest of the home, this is the guest quarters. It does have a sliding pocket door. On the guest quarters, you will find 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom and a bathroom in this area. The tile continues into the bathroom. The bathroom has a Formica countertop with 1 sink. That tub surround is tile. It has a window in it. Keeps this room light and bright. This is a guest bedroom with carpeting. This is located in the front of the home. That does appear to be a queen-size bed, to give you perspective. I will video the specification sheet of this home. Knockdown texture on this, in this room as well. It does have bifold raised panel doors as well in that bedroom. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. This is a wood-framed home. I will video the specification sheet. This is the specification sheet right here. The address is 558 Murphy's Estate Drive, located here in the Villages, Florida. List price $430,000. There are your bedroom dimensions. Master bedroom is 1410 by 12. Single family home. Please feel free to pause the video at any point. Please contact the owner, Marilyn, at the phone number listed there. Very good. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. We will now walk out to the street and I'll give you a panoramic view of that street. Here we are walking outside the home. This home does have a very large setback. This is located very near Sumter Landing. I believe it would be about a 10-minute golf cart ride to Sumter Landing. As always, friends, please contact the owner of this home because this is a for sale by owner home. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. I do appreciate it. I will give you a panoramic view of the street. The front of the home is facing northeast. So that would be facing northeast. And this would be facing east. This would be facing west. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this home tour of a Whispering Pine model designer home here in the Village of Mallory Square in the Villages, Florida. Take care, everybody, and stay safe.